Hello guys, it is the Aviation Asylum back with another video, and today we will be exploring the biggest update that Ferguson Jenkins International has ever seen, and it's a pretty busy day too, so let's get into it. Starting off at Terminal 2, at Gate 2A, we have just a small regional, Air Canada Express, heading off to Ferguson International Airport. There are no other planes in this gate, sadly. I'm not sure why. It's just that regional. We also have a British Airways A380 in the distance. We're heading over to it now. As you can see, it is getting baggage loaded and will be departing to Dubai soon. Yeah, it only takes like 2 or 3 routes. It's pretty sad. The A380s are going out of service one by one. Moving on to the second. Honestly, I forgot the name for this terminal. Who cares? So this terminal houses an American Airlines 777 just getting food loaded onto it by a catering truck. Yeah, this is an all-new terminal after they tore down the other one due to a terrorist attack in it. Yeah, very bad stuff. They apprehended the criminal, though, which was very good. They rebuilt one of the terminals, too. Here's the new one. It's a rotunda, a double rotunda. And in the rotunda, we have one plane departing out of this side, Qantas A380, just getting pushed back for its flight to London Heathrow. Yeah, it's a really weird route. Then over here we have a British Airways 787. A United 787, just getting refueled. And then over here we have an Air Canada 777, heading out of this gate right here, just getting pushed back, heading off to Halifax. Over at the cargo terminal, there's nothing new, just 2 747s. They're just there. They're waiting to be serviced. Over at the runway, we have Air Force One. Yes, I get it. It was supposed to leave, but, there was an aborted takeoff after something very suspicious was found on board. Yeah. And then over here, we have a WestJet 787 heading off to Calgary. Yeah, finally a new route. Yay! And then for the first time ever, we added a new taxiway and a new runway. Runway 26L and 18 right. And for the first time ever, over in the hangar, we have a Lufthansa A350 just getting repaired after a tail strike while landing. It was pretty heavy damage, but they're gonna fix it up. And that is the biggest update for Ferguson Jenkins International Airport. I know this one wasn't the best because I kept on forgetting routes and misnaming planes. There's going to be a whole special for that once I reach 10 subscribers. So yeah, there will be more planes soon, hopefully. Have a good one, everybody, and I will make sure to pump out more updates and videos than I am right now. Goodbye.